Are Twitter videos not playing on iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can solve the video not loading on Twitter app on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. If you have trouble with your internet, enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. After that, turn it off. Now check your issue. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Twitter app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Solution 3. Open the Twitter app. Tap Profile, tap Setting and Support, tap Settings and Privacy. Turn off the data saver, select high quality video and set on cellular and Wi-Fi for all the settings. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Open your passcode. Tap Reset network settings again. After following all these processes, your Twitter videos will start to play on your iPhone.